Hi everyone, you are watching MK Science Vision. One of the largest and most complex organ in the human body is brain. It is made up of more than 100 billion nerves that communicate in trillions of connections called synapses. Here we have an amazing organism having more than 32 brains. This animal is very familiar and more problematic rainy season near the forest area. That is none other than leech. Leech has 32 brains. A leech's internal structure is segregated into 32 separate segments, and each of these segments has its own brain.